Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video we will discuss about edit window. The first pre-final edit window is open regarding correction of image, thumb and sign. So how you can correct your mistakes? We are going to discuss how it was driven last year and how it is different from last year. What details that they shared last year which you don't have right now in this year, and what difficulties you are facing during correction, and what points you should consider, how to check whether you have made any kind of mistakes. Okay, so we'll discuss all these things. If you are new here, please do subscribe this channel, and you can visit our websites where you can find many different services offered by us. Okay, in case you want to connect with us, you can connect on this number 9319128677. You can also send us WhatsApp messages. Okay, in case you want to know how to set the target for the preparation, or if you want to assess your preparation whether you are on the right foot marks, then you can check the cutoff for the last year for different courses, different branches, for DNB also, private colleges, low budget private colleges, deemed university or government colleges, for clinical courses or non-clinical courses on this platform that is called NEET Mentor. Okay, there these all details you can check: closing rank, seat matrix allotment, all those things. So you can browse through neetmentor.co.in and you can check all these things after creating an account there, and that will ask you to pay 3000 package. Okay, now I'll tell you these are the steps. I'll tell you, like last year, this is not for this year, first of all, it's for NEETPG 2024. For a region, I have taken the reference because many candidates ask me, sir, where I can find the list of the candidates, okay, who required to make a correction. Last year, this is how they gave a PDF, and it was published on NetWord website. Okay, pre-final window, final edit window. This is the, I would say, the duration, the edit window where you had to correct your textual information is already over. This is the pre-final selective edit window to rectify your incorrect images, which includes photograph, okay, signature and thumb impression. So tomorrow is the last date. In case you couldn't do it by tomorrow, okay, then what might be the impact? You don't need to worry, okay, because there will be a final selective edit window to rectify these deficiencies. So that window will be starting from 24th to 28th. Okay, so how you can rectify it now? I'll tell you what might be the issues. Okay, so incorrect capture photograph, it means the webcam photograph you have taken. Incorrect uploaded photograph, incorrect uploaded photograph, that is a passport size photograph. Incorrect signature, incorrect thumb impression. Okay, these might be the 4 reasons for the rejection. How to identify whether your application requires any kind of correction? First point, since this PDF is not given this year, so you have to check your email, check all the spam boxes, your all the boxes in the email, all the folders, to find that if the NetBoard has given you sent any kind of email stating that you need to correct so images, maybe thumbnail or a signature or photograph or webcam images. Okay, so what might be the reason for rejection? Photograph older than 3 months, lack of light in the room, not using white or light colored background, overexposed, underexposed photograph. Okay, absence of formal attire, your dress code while taking photo, object behind you while capturing the photograph. You should be having a very clear, neat and clean background. Blurred image, poor quality image, eyes closed, okay, not looking into the camera, eyes not visible due to glare or specs. Black and white photograph instead of color, uploading photograph showing it's in a mobile phone, okay, showing your mobile phone and uploading the photo, that should not be the way. Okay, the how you should upload the photo, okay, these all things are already explained in the brochure. You can go and check there. Okay, if signature is not correct, then you read out the guidelines how to upload the correct signature, which is the correct way of doing it, which is incorrect. When you identify, that is the first step, that you have identified what is the error, what is the issue. In case you fail to identify, you might end up doing the same mistake again. That's possible. Okay, so first thing, you should be able to identify what is the mistake, what things should be corrected. Okay, so these are all things given last year. This year they haven't given it, they should have given it. Okay, uh, cropped photograph, then also it might be rejected. Does not include full face, ear. When you take photograph, full face, ear, neck, these are the guidelines. Okay, now in case signature is incorrect or it requires changes. Okay, blood signature, signature in capital letter, signature in ruled pages should have on blank page. Initial only, not complete signature. Okay, the initial only not accepted. You need to write just full name in your handwriting. That is the right way. Whole page has been scanned and uploaded. Only the portion of the signature should be uploaded, not the full A4 page. Okay, in case thumb impression required to be corrected, then what might be the mistakes. Okay, press too lightly, too hard. When you press too lightly, the thumb impression won't be coming that clear. When you press too hard, full ink will be stuck over there instead of the thumbprint. Okay, too much ink, not enough ink, covering entire fingertip, center loop, and delta not legible. So what you make sure that, okay, you consult someone or you go to cyber cafe, they will guide, okay, like how to take the finger print, or you take the sample from the prospectus, how they have given, just try to match like that. Okay, and then upload it. So these are some of the mistakes. Okay, last year they had given for particular application number incorrect. Who made like a mistake in capturing the photograph through webcam, who made mistake in uploading the photograph, who made mistake in uploading the signature, and who made mistake in thumb impression. Mostly people will do mistake in uploading the photograph or taking the webcam photo. Okay, but this year is not given. I have told you like how to figure out. Check your mail. In case you're not able to find email over there, then what is the next step? You just log in, simply log in, assuming that your application is already accepted and there is no rectification required. When you log in, now you need to check whether they have given option to edit the image, option to upload thumb impression and signature again. If that is the case, okay, that also gives kind of indication that is rejected. Okay, or it requires correction. Rejection won't be happening now, it requires correction. Or when you log in, you might be having some message. If the message shows in is uploaded successfully and you paid the registration fee successfully and there is no error message, then also you assume that there is no correction required. Okay, one more thing, the candidates, when they filled the application in the few initial days, all the candidates were asked to upload two documents which was required only for PWD candidates, that is appendix 1 and appendix 2. Okay, in case in the edit window, which was the previous edit window, those appendix didn't show up, it might be showing up now, because now is the edit window when you have to upload, when you have the option to upload any kind of document. Previous edit window was for textual changes. So if it is showing now that, okay, edit window shows appendix also, don't make any changes, because that was system issue, technical issue, that they were asking everyone to fill the appendix. Some of the candidates asked me that how to rectify, because I uploaded just kind of like blank paper just to proceed for the next step of payment. So if you have done that, in case you are able to delete it, okay, delete it. In case you are not able to delete, there is no edit option, nothing to worry, it is kind of like dummy field. Okay, hope my explanation would help you in the correction. If you have any kind of question, this is the number, you can send us WhatsApp messages. Call might not get connected or picked all the time, so better to drop a message, our team will help you. Okay, for any kind of support, guidance, you have this number, you call us If you have very simple query, you can ask. If you need any kind of our help or like paid services, you are welcome to go for that also. And you know how the steps are. Okay, so that's all from my side. We will put some important videos, okay, which might be relevant during the preparation phase. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.